Hello guys, welcome back to Just Learn It. Today we are going to explore this new feature from Chrome. This is a Chrome browser feature which is called tab group. So what tab group allow you to do is group your tab together and also allow you to collapse it. If you are one of those people who always open a lot of tabs in the browser and maybe Chrome browser is your favorite browser, you're going to want to consider using this feature. So by default, Chrome doesn't come with this feature. To enable it, you're going to want to go to Chrome /flags and hit enter. So when you are in, you want to enable this two first one. Over here, just pop up on the top because I already have it enabled. But if you don't see it here, all you have to do is search on top here, tab group, and then you're going to see it pop up. So I want to enable this one as I have on here, enable it, and also enable the second one. So the second one allows you to collapse the tab together. So already enable. So when you get that done, just go on any tab. Maybe you want to create a tab group for social media, Facebook. Just right click on it and go to the second one, add tab new group. And as you can see, it's color coded. And then you can right click on it and put the name, maybe social, and choose a color, red, and that's it. From now on, you can add any new open tab to that group. So maybe I want to add Facebook, just drag it into the red zone. And what else? Yeah, and then I can when I click on it, just collapse. As you can see, you can right click on it and change the color, change the name. You can put social like this, and if you want to remove the tab from the group, just drag it in the zone where it doesn't have that color, like this. So now Facebook is not in that social tab anymore. You can just drag it back, or the other way to do it, you just right click on the tab and go to remove from group. And yeah, we get out of that group. So which other feature do we have? Yeah, I can just create another group here for the new group. Let's see my email group and put email, enter, and add this tab to my email group and collapse it, but I'm not using it. And yeah, it's allowing you to save space on your browser, and I really like this feature, especially the collapse one. So make sure you enable them. And if you are new to the channel, guys, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And I hope you like the video. See you in the next one. Peace.